What's going on, guys? It's another beautiful day. We are back, about to go work on the 240. First of all, the catch can I made, which you guys seen in the, not the last video, but the week before that. This fucking guy is terrible. I fucking hate it. So I built a whole new one. It looks way better. It's actually baffled. This one was not baffled. So yeah, got rid of that. I got a bunch of parts, brake clean, RTV. About to go do, because if you've seen from the last video at Mac Park, driving the 240, we lost the oil pump belt. So we have decided to get away from the dry sump system. You know, we've been trying to simplify the car. We got rid of the rear mount radiator, we got rid of the electric power steering, we got rid of the electric water pump. Trying to simplify the car. So we're going back to a wet sump. And while we were taking the dry sump kit off, and taking the pan off, we noticed, well, we thought, let's pull a rod cap and a main just to look at the bearings. And the bearings were not looking very good. So we decided to put all new bearings in the car, and that's what we're about to do. We're about to go roll some bearings in. I don't have the crank girdle for my wet sump yet, so we won't be able to put the car back together all the way, but we can't get all the bearings in. So that's a big one. And then after that, all we gotta do is put the girdle on, pickup tube, oil pan, radiator, and start it back up, fill it full of oil. So yeah, we're about to go work on it. Car's at Andrew's right now, so I'll see you guys over there. Putting new bearings in. Here's the old bearing. They don't look too hot. Brand new shiny guys. Oh my god, so dirty. The shirt's even worse. Andrew's over there washing the G. These are our old bearings, as I was trying to tell you guys. They're not the best bearings, for sure. So we got some new King bearings going in. Oh, and the catch can, because I told you guys our shitty catch can. We got this one I made. It's got a mounting bracket on the back side, internal baffling, little gusset brace, 2 canisters, 2 drains on the bottom. Looks way better than that black piece of shit. Second go around, better. Third go around, eventually will be even better. Alright, let's put some bearings in. All bearings changed. Like this one is probably the worst. That one, not too bad. All good. Now we just gotta wait on windage tray. Here at Andrew's, working on the 240. They are at Eric's getting ready to paint his 350Z. So I'm gonna do a couple things real quick while I'm here. I'm going to throw the radiator back in, fans, belts, hoses, and that way when we get the crank girdle, we can pop that on, pop the pan on, and we're done. So let me get to work real quick.
Delivery, that was kind of one of the main things.
All right, so got the radiator in, got all the hoses on, got this fixed, welded up, that way I don't have JB weld on it. Got this union in there now instead of a T with a cap. Looks better. Intake's back on, fans are on, fans are wired in. I'm just waiting on my crank girdle to show up so we can bolt that bad boy in and put the pan on and everything else. But look at this sick new catch can. I'm telling you guys. With the little gussets holding them together. I think it looks pretty good in there. They're not the best welds because I had some pretty big gaps, but I think it looks pretty good. The drains are on the bottom. You can get to them. Pretty sick, if you ask me. And then I have a bracket welded on the back. And we'll get a piece of flat strap and either bolt it to the strut tower or bolt it directly to the firewall. Should be good though. Y'all already know. Catch can is officially done dizzled. Got it mounted to this bracket right here. That's mounted to the firewall. It don't move, it's in there. It's solid. Put my new hatch on with glass. Look at that. Making new hatch pin mounts. So I need to drill holes through here to locate these hatch pins. So I'm going to use the old peanut butter trick. Put some peanut butter on the tips of those, close the hatch. Gives me a perfect mark where I need to drill. Get to it. Stick my hand in this jar of fucking peanut butter. Oh yeah. Stay on, you bastard. Boom, perfect. Little blob on here. Boom. Perfect. Get all this fucking peanut butter off my goddamn fingers. I'm gonna grab the hood. Peanut butter on my brand new painted hood, or hatch. Not hood. Press down. Press down. Wipe the peanut butter off. Boom. Boom. Pretty sick. Now I'm gonna drill those bad boys out. Alright, holes are drilled out from the old peanut butter trick. Oh, look at that. Fucking slick. Boom. The real reason we're doing this is because the last bracket was like right here, way too close to the battery. Now I can get it. And the last of those shitty JDM arrow catch head pins, and they were genuine arrow catches. I've gone through like 10 of those motherfuckers because they always fucking break. So ditching those, and just getting old school classic hot rod hood pins. They'll do the job. So fuck it.